Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can enable high contrast in Windows 10. So for that, you have to go to settings. Okay, after coming to the settings, you will see an option called ease of access. Okay, then you will see an option called high contrast. So, okay, then as you can see, it is turned off. Now I can enable this option. So it is enabling. So as you can see that high contrast has been enabled in my laptop. So as you can see, the color has been changed in all the functions, so you can change the color as well. Okay, as you can see, this I have changed the color. So if you want to disable it, you just have to turn it off. Okay, so high contrast now has been disabled successfully. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.